today.
Welcome
Live
to
TV News.
Truth Spit. This is a Truth Spit moment. We are here on Monument Avenue where the statue is coming down. This is a hashtag Truth Spit moment, and they are removing the AP Hill statue off of Monument Avenue. This has been an AP Hill statue removed. He is on the statue and currently this is his remains. This is AP Hill, and this is Monument Avenue, and this is a Truth Spit moment brought to you by hashtag Divine Wisdom. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. This is history in the making. Hello.
What we know is from the history of the newspaper, but he was in an oaken box with a white liner, and we're not sure exactly what that means, but everyone believes he's where the stones are or lower.
Okay.
Because these are solid pieces they're pulling off.
All right. So they are currently getting AP Hill remains out of the statue as we speak. This is a hashtag Truth Spit story brought to you by hashtag Divine Wisdom. He was on Hermitage Road in the 3700 block, right where LABURNUM is. It was LABURNUM and Hermitage in the 3700 block in Richmond, Virginia. This is a hashtag Truth Spit moment. And this is currently a statue removal of AP Hill. The statue is being removed as well as his remains. His remains was under the statue that he was currently standing on top of, and they are removing him as well as his remains. This is a hashtag Truth Spit moment. This is a statue removal of AP Hill. Welcome. We are currently on Monument Avenue at what used to be the AP Hill statue. It is being removed. Today marks a day in history. Today is December the 12th, 2022. We mark a day in history as the AP Hill statue is being removed off of Monument and Hermitage Avenue. This is a hashtag Truth Spit moment brought to you by hashtag Divine Wisdom. Like, share, and comment. Be sure to subscribe. Hit your bell for notifications. This is a statue removal of AP Hill. We are currently at Hermitage and LABURNUM. This is the 3700 block, and they are removing the AP Hill statue. This is him. They are currently removing his remains. This is who the statue was created by. These are where his remains are. This has been an exclusive hashtag Truth Spit moment brought to you by hashtag Divine Wisdom. Know your history. Remember your history so that we can proceed and make new history. Like, share, and comment. It is always a pleasure Join me Monday, Thursdays, and Sundays at 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to hit your bell so that you don't miss any time.